In this section, we will explore the different types of Amazon ads, like sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display, and learn how to target the right audience for each. Because understanding which ad to use and how to target shoppers is the key to get the most sales and making your campaigns profitable. Let's dive in and see how can we reach the right buyers at the right time. So there are three types of Amazon ads. The first one is sponsored product, the second one is sponsored brand, and the third one is sponsored display. So now we will learn a little deep about uh, all the three types of Amazon ads. So let me share my screen in the ad campaigns. So this is the Amazon Ads dashboard, and in this dashboard, I will be teaching you the exact and the overall dashboard for the Amazon ads in a while. Like everything, I will be teaching you, but let me first tell you about the Amazon ads, the types of Amazon ads. So firstly, we'll have to go to the create campaigns. So now here you can see that there are three types of campaigns that you can choose from and start your Amazon ad. So there, the first one is sponsored product, the second one is sponsored display, and the third one is a sponsored brand. I will teach you how to run the all the types of ads campaign in a while, but let me just cover up the theory part for all the three types of campaigns. So the first one is the sponsored product, what the sponsored product actually is. So these type of ads are for the individual products that appears in the search result and product detail pages. So what's the goal of the sponsored product ads is to drive direct sales for a specific product. Now here the targeting will be keywords, that is manual or automatic, or we can also do the product targeting and category targeting in the sponsored product campaigns. So this type of sponsored product campaigns are best for beginners and the sellers who want to increase sales for any specific listings. Okay, so this was about a little about sponsored product ad. Now what all campaigns that we can launch in, we'll see in a while. The second type of ads is the sponsored, let's take the sponsored brand ads. So what is the sponsored brand ads actually is? So these are the ads that features your brand logo, custom headlines, and multiple products. So here the placement usually is the top of search result. Now top, what is the top of search, this also I will cover in the upcoming modules. Now what generally it is so the placement for these is the usually the top of search result, and the goal of the sponsored brand is to increase the brand awareness and promote multiple products at once. And these are best for the brand registered sellers, like those sellers that already have their brand registered on Amazon and they wanting to showcase their brand. So this is all about this was all about the sponsored brand ads. The third one is sponsored display. Now, what the sponsor display ads means, what it actually is. So, sponsor display ads are the ads that target shoppers on Amazon and also the off Amazon based on their browsing behavior. So, the goal for the sponsor display ads is to retarget the buyers or reach the audience that are interested in similar type of products. And these are best for retargeting and reaching the competitive audience or or our competitor audience. So yes, so the sponsor product ads is to promote our product listing that appears in the search result or the product detail page. Sponsored brands is to promote our brand with a banner, a video, or a video showing multiple products and a logo. So it is best for brand awareness. The third one is sponsored display. It helps to show our ads on Amazon and also on off Amazon sites. It is basically for the retargeting shoppers. This is all about the three types of campaigns that we can launch in Amazon. So this was all about the types of Amazon ads, the three types of Amazon